Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can hide or show the sidebars on Figma. So let us get started. Alright guys, there are basically three different ways how you can do that. The first option to hide the sidebar on the left, for example, would be to use or to click into that button here at the top of that left sidebar, minimize UI. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl Shift and that icon here. So let's simply left click into it, and that is going to hide these bars not only to the left but also to the right. Just bear in mind guys that hiding these sidebars is applied only to your currently open design. For example, if I head over to another design here on Figma project, the sidebars will still be visible and shown. So to enable these sidebars back again, click into that icon here again, expand UI. That is going to show both of them. So that's one option. The second option guys would be to use the shortcut or the key on your keyboard that looks like that rooftop here, for example, or arrow up icon. So let me click into it, for example. That is going to remove entirely the entire sidebar here to the left and to the right. And you may use that key again to enable them back again here to the left and to the right. And the third option guys would be to use the menu here in the top left corner by clicking on that main menu Figma icon here, by hovering mouse over view, and by using that option here, show hide UI or user interface. There you go. I meant that key here, for example. So you may simply enable it just like that. And there you go. As you can see now, these sidebars are hidden. You may show them again by using that icon or key on your keyboard to show them again. And that's how it works. That's option number 3. Thanks for watching guys, and have a wonderful day.